Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Diki Hermawan from PPNS and I'm in Automation Engineer in class TOA. Today I will try to present the result of the PLC task with the following question like this. The first step, the operator will be asked to enter the regular or big size, and the size will affect on the cocktail bottle in filling process. Next, if the size have been selected, the operator can press the press button. When starting is pressed, the two conveyor 1 and conveyor 2 are running. And then 7 bottle can have passed through in proximity 1. Then conveyor 1 and conveyor 2 is off and process filling is start. In the filling process begins with an active solenoid valve with duration in 7 seconds for regular size and 9 seconds for big size. After the time runs out, the solenoid valve is closed and only the conveyor 2 is active and the conveyor 1 is off. The next step, if proximity 2 has counter in 7, and then the conveyor 1 and conveyor 2 is on again. When stop button is pressed, the system stop and the time counter will be reset. Okay, I will run the HMI or Human Machine Interface from the program. I have read and try to demonstrate according the rules from the question. Okay, let's start. The first step, start button is not be able to press and the system will not be able to run if you have not selected regular size or big size. Next, if I have pressed the bottle selection size button, the start button can be pressed and the system can run. And now I will first select the regular size. If I press the regular size and then the start button can be pressed and the system is active. First, if I press the start button, the conveyor 1 and the conveyor 2 is active. When the conveyor is active, the bottle will be run and be detected and in proximity 1 or P1. If P1 detects 7 bottle, and then the conveyor 1 and the conveyor 2 will be off. And then I will press the conveyor until 7 bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next step, if the conveyor 1 and the conveyor 2 is off, the solenoid valve is active in the 7 second. And then the next step is filling process is stop, conveyor 2 is on. After filling is complete, then the bottle will be conveyor 2 and the bottle will run. After that, proximity 2 will detect the bottle until 7 bottle. After that, the 2 conveyor will be active in the original and as when the first start button was pressed. I want to try 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and we can see the conveyor 1, conveyor 2 is active like the original condition as when the first start button was pressed. And then I will try to select the pick size. Like the rule in regular size, pick size is have same rule, and I will try to press the start button. The first start button will not, I'm sorry. If I have pressed the start button, system will run. And then conveyor 1 and conveyor 2 will be on. After that, proximity detect bottle until 7. If the proximity 1 detects 7 bottle, then conveyor 1 and conveyor 2 is off. After that, the solenoid valve will be active and filling process will take in 9 seconds for pick size. After the filling process is complete, then the bottle will run in conveyor 2. After that, proximity 2 will be detect the bottle until the 7 bottle. After proximity 2 detect the 7 bottle, conveyor 1 and conveyor 2 will be active in the original condition as when the fast start button was pressed. When I press the start button, all the system will shut down and the timer counter will be reset. Like this. Done. So my explanation is from me. I'm sorry if there is short of my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.